Hello, viewers. Good evening and good day from where you're joining us from today. How are we doing and how is our day going? On today's topic in our channel today, we're going to be discussing on exploring Microsoft Azure Data Platform. Our speaker for tonight is going to be Popola. Popola is an information technology specialist with more than 10 years work experience. His areas of technical experts include data platform, business intelligence, and cloud computing, also with Microsoft 365. You guys are in a good hand. Popular is extremely passionate about learning, teaching, and community development. So today, Popular is going to take us on exploring Microsoft Azure Data Platform. Hi, Popular, are you there?
Hi, Catherine. It's nice meeting you again.
Good. How are you today? I hope you're
I'm
good,
fine.
and we are all ready and set to get the information you're going to send. Or we're going to get more from what you're going to teach us tonight.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to be here again. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, you can take over. Thank you.
All right. Just a moment. Let me go back to my slide. Will it be better for me to remove my camera so that it will not obscure my slides?
Anyone that's convenient for you, but I guess if you would love to see you.
Catherine, will it be for
Anyone.
me? Yeah, okay, okay, okay. Um, just a moment. Remove my camera so that okay, just let me start. Can you still hear me, please? Catherine? Hello, Catherine, can you hear me? Hello, Catherine, can you hear me, please?
Hi, Popular. Yes, I can hear you. Hello. Yes, I can hear you. Hey, Popular, are you there? The audience can hear you. Hello, guys. Please, if you can hear me, we're very sorry for the technical issue we're currently experiencing. Popola will soon share his screen for us to start this study series. Thank you so much for your patience.
Hello, Catherine.
Hi, Popola.
Hello, can you hear me? Yeah,
Hello,
can you hear
Popola.
me
I
clearly,
can
please?
hear you. Yes, I can hear you. Please, can you go ahead? We can hear you. Hi, Popola.
Can I go on, please? Can I go on?
Sure, you can go on. Sure, you can go on.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. Good day, everyone. From any part of where you are joining us for this episode of this training. On behalf of Azure Community Nigeria, I want to welcome everyone to this episode of our study series, which has to do with issues around Microsoft Azure, the capabilities of Microsoft Azure. But today we have a specific focus, which is on data platform. There is what we call data, and there are a lot of platforms that we can use to handle issues around data, right? Before the advent of cloud technology, uh, there were traditional ways of handling data, whether in terms of data storage, whether in form of data processing, whether in form of data manipulation, whether in form of data cleaning, whether in form of any kind of things that we can do with data. But with the advent of technology, organizations, individuals are moving their digital assets, they are moving their data assets from on-premises based to cloud-based environment. And I'm glad to inform you that with the recent development, there is a widespread transition from what we do from on-premises in terms of data assets to what we can do in the cloud in terms of data assets. And that is why we felt for this important topic to be discussed so that we get ideas on what are things that are evolving over time for organizations and individuals to make use of cloud environment for issues around their data, right? So that is what we'll be discussing today, looking at different data platforms and how we can make use of cloud environment. One, it is important to let us be aware that Microsoft Azure is a cloud environment for all things that have to do with cloud-based technologies. It is owned and developed by Microsoft Incorporation. And since the advent of Microsoft Azure, it has been a game changer for organizations and individuals to leverage on capabilities of cloud-based environments to do a lot of that they normally do on premises. So please move along with me as we discuss more about the data platform aspect of Microsoft Azure. For information's sake, Popularizer Kwala Mileka is my name. I specialize at data platforms, artificial intelligence, and automation of business processes. I have technical skills in areas of data science, data analysis, database administration. I also conduct technical training sections. I also do career coaching in terms of mentoring people who want to come to tech or people that are already in tech that need direction on the way forward. For professional certifications, I'm Microsoft certified trainer. I'm also certified by International Computer Driving License as a technical trainer. So, as a guy, my contacts, I have my email address and I have my LinkedIn address for any kind of engagement after this timeout. All right. So, for presentational outline, we'll be looking at introduction, a very broad introduction into data platform on Microsoft Azure. Of course, there will be a need for us to understand what we mean by data platform by itself. We'll be having an overview of Microsoft Azure Data Platform. We'll be looking at core Azure data services. We'll be looking at architecting a data solution on Azure. We'll also be looking at real world scenarios and use cases of data platform on Microsoft Azure. And of course, there will be a demo and there will also be Q&A. All right, introduction. Now, the core objectives of this session are to number one, to understand what a data platform is. That is, what do we call a data platform? Number two, to explore various Azure data services. And number three, to discover real world use cases and best practices. So, this is just an introductory aspect into the series of these studies that we are embarking on.
Hi, Papa License, we've lost you. Hi, Papa, are you there? We can't hear you currently.